I want to quickly give you 3 tips you can use to turn your trauma into triumph, to turn your pain into power. I'm Dr. Josephine, a professional life coach, a trauma-informed care coach. And those 3 things, trauma can be very, very overwhelming, like depression, like anxiety, but it doesn't define you. It does not define you. And you could get out of this, turning it into triumph or power, using these 3 tips. The first one, acknowledge your pain. You need to know where it's hurting you, what actually the root cause of that your pain, to be able to understand your emotions and be able to get out of that emotions. Number 2, set small, achievable goals. In setting small, achievable goals, you are taking steps to rebuild yourself, to get out of that static, overwhelming status of depression, of anxiety, of trauma, to take you out into triumph, giving you power to achieve what you've said to achieve. And the third one, seek expert guidance. You need to seek help. Everybody at one point or stage of any transition needs help. You could be self-help, it could be others' help, it could be experts' guidance or help. As a trauma-informed care coach, I can help. Let's talk. Let's talk. Today, check my description link to learn more on how to reach me. But I can tell you, definitely, that your trauma, you could change it to triumph for yourself.